if else statement. If else statement. If else statement. It is used to specify more than one condition. It is used to specify more than one condition. It is used to specify more than one condition. Say syntax. You already learned if statement, if else statement. More than one statement is there, braces. Only one statement is there, without brace also works. Like that you have seen. Okay. Here also same. If condition 1, no, just one syntax I'll give. That is, one statement is there, without brace also works. Else if condition 2. Like this, n number of else if. At last else. If condition 1, condition 2, that is n number of conditions. Note on the syntax. Condition 1, condition 2, like that n number of conditions you can write. At last else. Is it over? Say here condition 1. If the condition 1 true, then this one executed. Body of if. The condition 1 is true, then body of if. Here it is out of if else if. Out of if else statement. If the condition false, another condition. It is condition 2. Body of else if. Body of else if. After this, out of. Like this, again if it is false, it is true means this one. Again if it is false, At last, else. Body of else. Okay. Ready, son? Is it over? The flow I'll explain. First, you complete this one as it is, write it. See, control comes like this, not completed. See, control comes like this. Condition 1. The condition 1 is going to return either true or false. True means body of if, out of if else. False means second condition. So when condition 2 checked, if the first condition is false, otherwise condition 2 is not checked. Okay. So first control comes like this. Condition 1, if it is true, body of if. After that, out of if else statement. Condition 1 false means then only second condition checked. The first condition is false, then only second condition. Second condition true means body of else if. If all conditions are false, then only body of else. So this part or this part or this part, one only executed. One only. If the first one is true, this is executed, stopped. If the first one condition false, then only this is checked. If it is true, this one. If both are false, it comes last. Okay, here one more else if also you can write. N number of. Else if, this one, N number of you can write. Okay. Now, I'll show you. Yesterday program only I'll extend. See, this is if else statement, not nested if. Nested if is fourth one. I given 5 statements, no? Now see, integer a equal to 10. If a greater than 0, system dot out dot println positive number. Like this you studied yesterday. It is first concept. Suppose now a value 10. Now what is the output comes? Positive number. If I write minus 10, what will happen? No output. Suppose 0, no output. Okay. Suppose here, if I write like this, now see system.out.println negative number. Here a value 10, 10 greater than 0. Now what is output? Positive number. Suppose if I enter minus 10, suppose if it is 0, 0 means negative number only printed. This is, you can extend like this, a less than 0 negative number, else either 0 or neutral you can write. Okay. Now if I enter 10, 10 greater than 0, true, then positive number printed, and with that only stop it. Okay. Now if it is minus 10, 10 greater than 0, false, then this will check. Okay. Then negative number and stop it. Suppose if I enter 0, 0 greater than 0, false, 0 less than 0, false, 0 printed. Okay. Now write this example. So first condition, if it is true, it is printed. Stop it. If first condition false, then only second condition checked. Otherwise, second condition is not checked. So first condition, if it is false, then only second condition checked. If it is this one true, this is printed and stop it. If all conditions are false, then only else block. So this type of else if, in between any number of you can write, any number of. Okay. Suppose if I write here system dot out dot println end, if I write end, if it is 10, what is it? It is error. Already I told yesterday, it is an error. If more than one statement is there, compulsory brace is required. Otherwise, what will happen is only this is belongs to if statement. This is belongs to if statement. It is considered as a outside the if. Outside the if, that is okay outside the if. But in this case, error comes. In this case, error comes. So year, up to year valid only. Up to year valid only. It is also valid only. It is outside the if. But only else if directly we cannot write, no. Else if we cannot write. Okay. So in this case, error comes. In this case. So if you want to write more than one statement, if you want to write, then braces you have to write. Okay. If you write like this, system.out.println, if you write year also, no difference in Java. Python, it will be different, but Java, no difference. This is, if you write like this or like this, no change. Complete program in a one line also write, works in Java. Okay. So if you write like this also, both are same. Both are same. Okay. If you write like this also, both are same. No change. No change. Okay. Now here, if else, it is again no need to explain also, because yesterday complete you studied only if and else if else only. Here only this type of else if many you can write. This type of else if you can write any number of. Okay. Now next one, nested if. Note on. Fourth one, nested if statement. Nested if statement. Defining if statement in another if statement is called as nested if statement. Defining if statement in another if statement is called as nested if statement. Nested if, it is nothing but one if in another if. That is nesting. One in another. That means it is not a new concept. Whatever is studied, that is only. That is only many types you can write. Directly I'll give examples. So defining if statement in another if statement is called as nested if statement. Suppose here, here if a greater than 0, if a greater than 0, now here what I'll do, another if I will write. If a modulo division 2 double equal to 0, then I'll write braces, it is better without confusion. System dot out dot println, but concept you understood, no, with braces or without braces, that is clear, no? Now here, suppose even number I'll write. If I write like this, you observe here int a equal to 10. Now first a value 10. Okay, int a equal to 10. First a value 10. 10 greater than 0. 10 greater than 0, true. Then only it will enter. Now 10 percentile to double equal to 0. 10 modulo division 2. 0. 0 double equal to 0. True. Then even number printed. Okay. Suppose if it is 8, 9. If it is 9. A greater than 0. True. It will enter. But it is false. Then no output. Suppose. Okay. Like this. Now this is one example. Just note on this one. This is one example. Note on. Example 1. Is it over? Now, if I write minus 9, what will happen? Minus 9. No output. Okay. Suppose if I write 0, no output. Suppose if I write minus 10, now also no output. If you write minus 10 or 0, what will happen? Here only condition false. Then it will not enter into inside the if. So this condition is not checked. If this condition is true, then only this condition checked. Okay. So once again, if I write 8, what is the output? What is the output? Even number. Suppose if I write 9, no output. If I write minus 9, no output. If I write 0, no output. If I write minus 8, no output. Okay. Now here you studied. Suppose here I'll write else. System dot out dot println odd number. If I write now if it is 10, what is output? Even number. So 10 greater than 0, true. Then it will enter 10 modulo division 2, 0 comes. 0 double equal to 0, true. Then even number. Suppose if it is 9, odd number. This condition true, this condition false. Then odd number. Suppose if I enter minus 9, no output. Because first condition false, out of. So 0. No output. 0 greater than 0 false. No output. So minus 10. No output. Here only false. It will come out. It is also nesting only. It is also nesting only. Note down. Example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Is it over? So previous what I given, if within a if I given. Now if else within a if I given. Okay. Suppose here else I'll write. Here else if I write. System dot out dot println negative number. If I write. If I write like this. See, if I write now a value minus 10, what is output? Negative number. Suppose a value 0, negative number only. Okay. So this is also nesting. If this is nesting only, no. Write this one. Example 3. Example 3. So these are lots of practice required. Over. Now, in this else also we can write if else. In this else also. Say here if else I'll write. If a less than 0. Here system dot out dot println negative number. Else system dot out dot println 0. Now you observe if else within the if else within the else. Is it else if? No, it is nested if. It is not else if. If else within the else. Okay. Now here, suppose if I enter 10, this condition true, then even number. Suppose if I enter here 7, this condition true, this is false, odd number. Suppose if I enter -7, this condition false, then else block. In the else block, again this condition true, negative number. Suppose if it is 0, this condition false, it comes here. Again this condition false, 0. Now it last one, example 4. Note on. Example 4. See, is it over? See, if else statement inside the if. Here, if else statement inside the else. Okay. If else statement inside the if. If else statement inside the else. So when this condition is checked, whenever this condition is true. When this condition checked, whenever this condition is false. Like that works. Okay. So here, suppose if it is 10, 10 greater than 0, true. 10 modulo division 2 double equal to 0, true. Then even number printed. Suppose if it is 9, condition true, here condition false, on number printed. Suppose if I write minus 9, here only condition false, it comes here. Here condition checked, true, negative number. Suppose if I enter 0, 0 greater than 0, false, then it comes here. 0 less than 0, false, 0. Okay. Let this executed. This is nested if concept. Now, total how many statements are there in if decision making statement? 5. Okay. 5 statements, 4 completed. Fifth one you will study later. Fifth one you will study later. Okay. Fifth one you will study later because switch statement totally changed in Java. So many changes are there in switch. Latest version I'll explain. Later I'll explain. After learning strings I'll explain. Next concept, iteration statements. We are calling like a loops. First one, while loop. Say iteration statements in the brackets loops. While iteration statements loops. While loop, syntax. While condition. Here also, if only one statement, one syntax. Okay, syntaxes. Here, while condition, open brace, close brace. No. Now it is different. Condition true or false. I'll explain. Just note down. I'll explain. Just note down. Note down. I'll explain. But it is different if statement different. Is it over? Control comes like this. Okay. Control comes like this. Condition. If the condition is going to return either true or false, true, body of while. After that, again condition, again true, body of while, again condition, body true, again body of while. It will rotate. That's what we are calling like a loop. Once if the condition is false, stop it. So previously what is happened? Condition true means body of if executed, it is came out. That's it. But here again condition checked, repeatedly checked. Until this condition becomes false, this part is repeated. That's what it is called loop. So control comes like this and condition true, body of while. After that again condition, body of while, again condition, body of while, it will rotate. Once if the condition is false, stop it. Okay. So one statement is there without braces. More than one statement is there with braces. Suppose condition executed, true, it will enter. This part executed. After executing, again executed condition, again true, like this, it will rotate. Once if it is false, then out. Okay, that's what we are calling like a loop. Suppose you observe. Say integer a equal to 1 if a greater than 1 or a greater than 0. Suppose system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println a. What is the output comes? 1 comes. This is if statement. But this is if you write like a while. What will happen is 1 greater than 0 true. 1 printed. Again 1 greater than 0 true. Again 1 printed. Again 1 greater than 0. It will again printed. This is infinite loop. It will never end because it is rotated. That's what I'll do is I'll write like this. Some other condition I'll write. Otherwise, see, a less than or equal to 10 on condition. After this, I'll write a plus plus. If I write, what will happen? See, first a value 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. True. 1 printed. It will become 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. True. 2 printed. It will become 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. True. 3 printed. Like this, up to 10 printed. It will become 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. False. Stop it. So now this, what is the output comes? 1 to 10. Now see, I'll open command prompt. Java C demo.java. Java demo. See 1 to 10. Nodal. Is it over? So once again you observe A value 1. Okay. 1 less than or equal to 10. True. 1 printed. It will become 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. True. 2 printed. It will become 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. 3 printed. It will become 4. That is up to 10. 10 less than or equal to 10. True. 10 printed. It will become 11. False. Okay. Now, this is 1 to 10 prints. Suppose I'll write like this. What will be the output comes? Give me an answer. No, not completed. Wait. Now give me an answer. Five to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 also. 5, 4, 3, 2. Write this one. So output 5, 4, 3, 2. Output 5, 4, 3, 2. Noted. So A value 5. 5 greater than 1 true. 5 printed. It will become 4. 4 greater than 1 true. 4 printed. It will become 3. 3 greater than 1 true. 3 printed. 2. 2 greater than 1 printed. 1. 1 greater than 1 false. So output 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Is it over? Now, little complicated I'll ask. Okay. Suppose A value 1. Here A less than or equal to 5. A less than or equal to 5. Here minus plus A. One, two, three, four, five, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me answers. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. So 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Next. 2 to 6. Next. Next. Only 2. Only 2. Next. So their online students 1 to 5 also selected. Now next. If your answer is not there, give me I'll write. If your answer is not there, give me I'll write. 0 also. 1. Only 1. Only 1. Any other? I given time for thinking, not for discussion. That is always remember. But every day you are discussing only. Now give me answer. If your answer is not there, give me, I'll write. No output. Okay, one more. Next. Over. All people answer is there. Error. One more answer, error. Next. See, software company written test like this only, no? Option A, option B, option C, option D. But these many options they won't give. They'll give only 4. Okay. Now, how many people answer 2 to 5? Raise your hand. 2 to 5. Okay. Next. How many people answer 2 to 6? Okay. Next. How many people answer 2? Okay. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Okay. That is online student given. 1 to 5. 1. Only 1. Only one somebody given, no? Change your answer. See in the majority, change your answer. No output. Somebody given no output. This side. Error. Your error. Why error? 2 members error given. 2 members error given. What is the error? Where is the error? Where is the error? So you selected one answer. See. Majority people answer is 2 to 6. Online also, offline also. Majority people answer is 2 to 6. Whether right or wrong, we'll see. Sometimes majority will be wrong, no? It's happened, no? Now, first A value, 1. 1 less than or equal to 5. True or false? True. What is printed here? 2 printed. Because it is pre-increment or post-increment? Pre-increment. So, first incremented and printed. Okay. So, when 1 less than or equal to 5, what is printed? 2 printed. 2 less than or equal to 5, 3 printed. 3 less than or equal to 5, 4 printed. 4 less than or equal to 5, 5 printed. 5 less than or equal to 5, 6 printed. 6 less than or equal to 5, false. So output is 2 to 6. Okay. File, save. Compilation, execution. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Write this one. So output is 2 to 6. 2 to 6. Over. I'll change values, variables, operators, I'll change. But while loop is same. Okay. Now. Is it over? Now I'll change the values. I'll change the operators. And again give me answer. Okay. Suppose it is 3. It is 8. Year plus plus. Year only A. There is no new concept. Whatever I taught from that only. There is no new concept. Online students also respond in chat box. More confusion is there? Three to 8. 4 to 8. 4 to 9. Okay. 3 to 8, 4 to 8, 4 to 9. Okay. I'll write your answers here. I'll write 3 to 8, 3 to 9, 4 to 9, 4 to 8 also. Okay, 4 to 8. Any other? Over? Any other answer is there? So this is also C language type only. Java, actual Java not yet started. Object oriented programming onwards Java. Actual Java. Other than this 4 is there, give me, I'll write. Other than this 4. All people answer is there or? Now, how many people answer 3 to 8? 3 to 8, okay. How many people answer 3 to 9? 3 to 9, okay. How many people answer 4 to 9? 4 to 9, okay. 4 to 8. But still some more people not given answer. My eyes on everyone. My eyes on everyone. What is your answer? Those who didn't give an answer, what is your answer? See, here. So one more no output also came. No output 3 to 7, 3 to 8, okay. See, first of all, A value 3. A value 3. Okay. It is pre-increment or post-increment? Post-increment. So first condition checked. Incrementation later. So first condition checked. That means what is checked? 3 less than or equal to 8 checked. Okay. True. But after this condition true, it is incremented or printed? Incremented. So it will become 4. Now printed. So 3 less than or equal to 8. What is printed? 4 printed. Like that 4 less than or equal to 8. What is printed? 5 printed. Like that 8 less than or equal to 8. What is printed? 9 printed. That means 4 to 9. 4 to 9. 4 to 9 is the right answer. Those who given 4 to 9, just raise your hand once again. This, more than that. They change answer. See, file, save. Here you can manage, but in interview can you manage? So 4 to 9. Not done. Output is 4 to 9. Nearly 10 members extra hands are there. Nearly 10 members. Pre-increment means first increments. Post increments means incrementation later. That's it. Here incrementation is there and condition is there. So incrementation later. If it is pre, first increments. That's the main difference. Okay. Is it over? Now, little bit I'll change. Plus A plus A greater than suppose 3. Plus A greater than 3. After this, A minus equal to 2. Think yourself and you answer. See, again, you're continuously discussing only. What I'm saying, don't discuss. You feel like an interview. You feel like a written test. Because no one is listening my voice. All are discussing only. You feel like an interview. You feel like a written test. If you discuss, no use. It's my time waste, your time waste. Now, what is the output? 4. 2. Any other answer? No output. Okay. See. 4, 2, no output. Any other? Four and 2 also is there? Only 4, only 2, no output. 4 and 2 also is there? No. Okay. Any other answer other than these 3? Other than these 3. Any other answer? Now, while giving answer, you remember your answer. Okay. Now, how many people answer is 4? 1 minute I'll count. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26. Okay. 26 members, 4 in offline. Online, 34 members. Okay. Next. Next. How many people answer 2? Okay. Next, how many people answer no output? But majority people not given answer. So answers are decreasing. Your answer right or wrong, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Whatever you know, that is give answer. Nothing will happen. Wrong answer also, nothing will happen. You'll get a logical thinking. Thinking purpose only I am asking questions. But remaining people, what is your answer? Many people not given answer. See. A value 3. See. A value 3. After this. Listen. A value 3. Okay. Plus A greater than 3. Is it pre-increment or post-increment? So pre-increment. First increments. So it will become 4. After this condition checked. 4 greater than 3. True or false? True. It is true. Okay. System dot out dot println A. 4 printed. After printing A minus equal to 2. That meaning A equal to A minus 2. That means what will happen here? It will become 2. Now here again pre-increment. So 2 will become 3. It will become 3. It will become 3. 3 greater than 3. False. So output is only 4. Okay. Output is 4. File, save. See, compilation, output is 4. See, once again I'll explain. Listen. Listen with concentration. A value 3. Okay. In first line, A value 3. Here, plus A greater than 3. It is pre or post? Pre. So, first increments. It will become 4. Now, condition checked. 4 greater than 3. Condition checked. True or false? True. It will enter. System.out.println A. What is the output? 4. After printing 4, what is the A value here? A equal to A minus 2. What is the A value here? 4. 4 minus 2? 2. The A value changed to 2. 2. But again from here, again control comes here, no? Again plus A. It will become 3. Now condition checked. 3 greater than 3. False. So output is just 4. Only 4. Okay. So this output is only 4. Is it clear? So first condition checked. It is pre. That's what first incremented. Okay. While loop execution process, condition if it is true, it will enter, body executed. But after executing, again condition will be checked. Until this condition becomes false. Repeatedly executed body of while loop. That's what it is called loop. Okay. Next. Do while loop. Do while loop. Here do statement while semicolon. Do okay, do while loop. Only one statement is there without braces. More than one statement is there braces. Here just reverse. While loop you studied. If you compare with that, it is reverse. Your first body executed. Body of do while. After that condition checked. Condition. If it is true, if it is false, out of. See, while teaching you listen. False. Out of do while loop. So first body executed, After that checked. True means again body. So until becomes false, until the condition becomes false, it is repeated. But very first time what will happen, without checking only it will enter. So this loop is executed at least once. So control comes to body of do while. After that condition checked. True means again body of do while. True means again body of do while. It will rotate until that becomes false. So that diagram, this diagram, if you observe, previously condition first, later body of while. But here first body, later condition. The difference is there. Okay. So control directly it will enter. It will enter. This is executed. Now it will check. If it is true, again. If it, again body, again true, it will rotate. If it is false, out of. Okay. So first control comes like this. It will enter directly. Body of do while executed. After that condition checked. True means again. Again body of do while. Again condition. True means again. It will rotate. Once if it is false, out of. Okay. Suppose you observe integer a equal to 5. Okay. Do. Here system dot out dot println a plus plus. Now a less than 5 if I write. Now what is output comes? See, first a value 5 printed, it will become 6 less than 5. What will happen? False. What is the output comes? 5 comes. But same condition, same thing if you write in a while loop. What will happen? See, integer a equal to 5. Same conditions. While a less than 5. System dot out dot println a. After that a plus plus. This already you studied. What is the output comes here? Here no output, but here 5. So this output is 5. This output is 5, but here no output. So once again I'll explain. Just listen once again. See, first of all a value 5. Do open brace, it will enter 5 printed. After printing 5, it will become 6. Condition checked. 5 greater than 5. False. Stop it. Now here. This while here also you can write. Same line also. Now here a value 5. 5 less than 5. False. That's what no output. See, here a value 5. Here a value 5. Here a less than 5. Here a less than 5. Here a plus plus. Same I written. But here 5. Here no output. Okay. Ready son? So here output is 5. Here output is here no output. Is it over? This is while loop, this is do while loop. See, here like this also you can write. No. Suppose a value 5, here a minus minus, here a greater than 2, if I write. What is the output? Five, 4, 3. A value 5, 5 printed, it will become 4. 4 greater than 2, true. 4 printed, it will become 3. 3 greater than true, true. 3 printed, it will become 2. 2 greater than 2, false. So file, save. Okay, alright, this one. So output is 5, 4, 3. Okay. We'll see continuation on next class. I'm leaving out of session next class on Wednesday. Okay. I'm leaving out of session. 3 days no class. On Wednesday, 9th March. So next class on Wednesday. Next class on 9th March, Wednesday. Okay. I'm leaving out of session, no classes up to Wednesday, Tuesday. Okay. So next class we'll see on 9th March, Wednesday. Okay. On Wednesday, we'll see continuation.